I have the zip file in my PC. Just right click on it and select cut option and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and press enter. Double click on the games folder and paste the zip file we copied and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it and select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option and the games folder has been added to this list. Just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search WinRAR download and select the first site. Select the WinRAR English 64-bit. After the download done, click on it and select yes option and select install and select OK and select done. After the installation done, right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select the extract here option. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and double click on the system folder. Scroll down, right click on the game icon and select show more options and select send it to desktop create shortcut. And now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. Select allow option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.